Try to do it. Advantage of being the last speaker on the panel is that perhaps every facet has already been covered, and my esteemed colleagues have done a wonderful job with it. I have only a few points to add. Various growth figures have been indicated, and all that means is that we're going to have about a six-fold or a tenfold rise in the data requirement, internet connections all across. While these figures are all right and the speed at which we want it is also there, I clearly see a concern in that as far as do we have the infrastructure to support this sort of an increase? Well, in pockets, yes. But in most of the pockets, it is not there. We need to develop it. Now, is there a problem in developing an infrastructure? Well, as long as it is making sense to an investor, it is not, and there is money in it. There is a clear license as far as the government is concerned. They've issued a license. But is execution simple? I think the execution is a very major area of concern in our country. Today, if I want to make a tower in a particular area, I got to handle a parallel economy. There is a license condition, there is a license fees which has been paid, but when I go to the states for execution, they have their own way of giving a permission to make a tower. And there is no central guidance, even if there is some sort of a advisory from the center that look, these are the things that a tower company should fulfill. For you to approve a tower, they have their own way of looking at permissions for making a tower. And their own way of looking at it is purely economic. They do not know that what is the requirement of an operator. They only know that this is a tower, and our companies or all operators have a lot of money, so why don't you get money from them? So somebody will say, look, I'll give you a permission provided you give me 5 lakh rupees. Somebody will say, you give me 2 lakh rupees annually. Somebody will say that in case there are 4 sharers, you multiply this amount by 4 and make it 16. All this is impractical. Tower companies cannot survive with this sort of a requirements. This infrastructure growth, if it all has to come, these issues at the state level have to get sorted out. I clearly do not see this happening unless there is a strong force from the center, pressure from the center to formalize or amend our Telegraph Act. Without that happening, this is going to be a problem in the days to come. The second issue of concern is today, any man in the street can stand up and say, I will not permit a tower to come up over here because such and such friend of mine picked up a cancer 1 year back. Right, now that's sufficient for him to go and approach the court. He'll go to the police will look the other way around and they will say that, look, if I go to the court to allow the police to allow my tower to come up, he's going to say that, look, you please sort out with that individual or go to the court. And he goes to the court and he says that this tower should not be permitted, and the court will say, okay, stay order to this, and I can bid goodbye to my tower for the next 2 years to come. Then there will be very sensible judgment from certain other courts to come in favor of that there are no clear, what you call ruling on the subject, not ruling on the subject, there are no clear views on the subject, and therefore we should exercise abundant caution and not have towers at all. Now, where does that leave your infrastructure development? Where does that leave your desire to meet the customer expectations of what you call having a certain level of internet speed being available to them? Do you have coverage? Do you don't have coverage? All those issues need to get resolved if we got to move ahead. I think if we are looking to be an advanced country with the absolute state-of-the-art communication and facilities being available to us, the way we are moving, it can only happen in pockets. Even in major cities, you can't do it. Imagine a city like which you have 10,000 towers today, and all the towers came up in front of the very government which is there today, and all of a sudden after 10 years they say that half your towers are illegal, demolish them. Does somebody know what is the impact of it? Is it so simple? So clearly, for the development which we are envisaging, and which our planners in the telecom are rightly forecasting and planning for it, I don't see the execution actually enabling that. So my point is that while convergence is all very well, we need to converge also, and we are all for it. But we need to sort out these things too. Thank you.